As promised, here's the next video on the Bohr model drawings. We are going to start with sodium, which is in period 3 right here. Because this is in period 3, in the last video, I introduced to you guys the concept of period and groups, and I told you that when we are doing the periods, that's as you keep going down, the number of circles increase. Okay, so sodium is in period 3. It's going to have 3 circles around the nucleus. 1, 2, and 3. And I already did the math here. So sodium's nuclear symbol is right here, 23 for the mass, 11 is the atomic number, so protons are 11, P plus, neutrons are 12, and I need to place 11 electrons. So I did 2 right here, north, south, east, west, and then we just pair them up. I place 10. Remember, second circle can only have maximum of 8 electrons, and that second circle is the energy level. Okay, these are all energy levels. And then I have 1 left. Sodium has 11 electrons. Now, let me introduce you to another concept called valence electrons. What are valence electrons? Valence electrons are electrons that are in the outermost circle. All right, outermost energy level or outermost circle. So sodium has 1 valence electron. Okay, now let's go ahead and do magnesium. Magnesium is 24 for the mass and 12, and then we put 12 proton because the atomic number is 12. That's my 12 proton. The neutrons are going to be 24 minus 12, which is 12. Remember, to find the neutrons, you always do mass minus atomic number, or sorry, mass number, the proton, which is going to give you 12. Mass minus the number of protons. Okay, I need to place 12. Boy, that circle is awful. Anyway, I need to place 12 electrons. So the first circle gets 2. Second circle maximum can have 8. All right. And then the third circle, I've placed 10 dots. So 10 electrons have been placed. And I know magnesium is in period 3. So it's going to have 3 circles for 3 energy levels. Okay. And here are your 2 dots. So magnesium has 2 valence electrons.